Today we're going to be making one of the easiest and healthiest side dishes that you could possibly make. We're making sauteed spinach. For this recipe, you'll start with about 10 to 12 ounces of spinach, which can come from the garden or can be bought from the store. In addition to the spinach, we'll use olive oil, some garlic salt, and grated Parmesan cheese. Now, to start this recipe, we're going to preheat about 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan. Okay, now that we've added the olive oil, we can go ahead and add our spinach. And now you want to make sure that you're using a pan that's large enough for this large amount of spinach. Okay, and we're just going to add a lid to our pan to allow the spinach to cook down for about 5 minutes. And then we'll add our other 2 ingredients. Now that our spinach is cooked down a little bit, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of garlic salt. Now you could use garlic powder, or you could use, if you have fresh garlic, you could use fresh or minced garlic as well. And then we'll add 1/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Okay, and then we want to make sure that we mix in the garlic salt and the grated Parmesan so that we get a good combination through all the spinach. And we'll just let that cook for a couple of minutes. Okay, and now that our spinach is done, we will go ahead and serve it on our plate. It's amazing how much spinach cooks down. We started with that big overflowing pan. So it does cook down quite a bit. So that's something to think about if you're serving a large family. But this is it. Simple, easy, and really healthy side dish. It's our sauteed spinach. I hope you try it.
For this recipe and more like it, scan this QR code. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.